So this is level 4 in lesson 18, Code.org Discoveries. So we learned that we could do velocity.x or velocity y or x instead of the counter pattern. We could also use rotation speed to spin something instead of doing counter pattern for dot rotation. So let's run what we have here for this code. And here we have a sun. So right up here, you have rotation speed to make your sprites spin. So we could do sun.rotation speed. And what they'd like us to do is make it spin at level 3. Oops, let me drag this down just a little bit here. There we go. It says make the sun rotate by 3 degrees each time using the rotation speed block. So here it is, rotation speed block, and I can either type it or drag it up. But I think I'm going to drag this one right up here above the loop, right there. Sun or sprite dot rotation speed, and I'm going to change the word sprite to the word sun, and then I'm going to space, then equals another space, and they'd like it set at level 3. Keep in mind that every time this loop goes around, it's 30 times a second, right? And not forgetting my semicolon. And let's see now, if we reset and then run, there is that spinning sun. All right, and that's all there is to it. Very good. Okay, thanks for watching.